teach you about the most exciting part of science, physics. What is physics? Physics is science concerned with nature and properties of matter and energy. What I like most about physics is Newton's 3 laws. Newton's first law is often stated as an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. There are two parts of this statement, one that predicts the behavior of stationary objects and the other that predicts the behavior of moving objects. All objects can be described by saying that objects tend to keep doing what they're doing. The motion of an object is maintained as long as the object is not acted upon by an unbalanced force. Experience inertia. Inertia is resisting changes in your state of motion. Second law is pretty long and a little bit harder to understand, but I'll get you there. Newton's second law of motion pertains to the behavior of objects for which all existing forces are not balanced. The second law states that acceleration of an object is dependent upon two variables, the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object. Acceleration of an object depends directly upon the net force acting upon the object and inversely upon the mass of the object. The second law of motion can be formally stated as the acceleration of an object as produced by a net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force in the same direction as the net force and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. What is net force? Force is a force which is the result of two or more forces acting conjointly, or a motion which is the result of two or more forces being combined. That net force is the combination of all forces on an object at the same time. Example, everybody likes to play baseball, right? When you hit a baseball with your bat, there's three forces that are acting upon the ball. The gravity on the ball, the friction from the air, and the force stricken from the bat to the ball. Third law is quite simple. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Don't you like to fly? I would sure like to fly. Now let's pretend we're birds, okay? Ready? Caw! We're flying by our wings. Our wings push the air down. And that equal and opposite reaction means that the air that we're pushing down is also pushing us up. It's the force coming from the mutual interaction. Hope you like Sachi's classroom.